Next global indicator is AT. AT means transatlantic. Now it is applicable only when our journey is from area 1 to area 2 or area 2 to area 1 crossing the Atlantic Ocean, or area 1 to area 3 via area 2, or area 3 to area 1 via area 2. Means whenever our passenger is crossing the Atlantic Ocean, this one is Atlantic Ocean, in that case we have to consider the AT global indicator. Now we'll see the some of the examples. Now the itinerary is Honolulu, San Juan, Hamilton, Lisbon. Now we have to find out the global indicator for this itinerary. Honolulu, San Juan, Hamilton and Lisbon. First we'll find out the areas. Honolulu is in USA, area 1. San Juan is in Puerto Rico, area 1. Hamilton is in Bermuda is in area 1. And Lisbon is in Portugal, area 2. Now when your passenger is traveling from area 1 to area 2, he has to cross the Atlantic Ocean. In that case, the global indicator for this itinerary will be AT. Now we'll see the next example. Kuala Lumpur, Dar es Salaam, Harare and Brasilia. Kuala Lumpur, Dar es Salaam, Harare and Brasilia. Now first we'll find out the areas. Kuala Lumpur is in Malaysia, Malaysia is in area 3, Dar es Salaam is in Tanzania, Tanzania is in area 2, Harare is in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe is in area 2, and Brasilia is in Brazil, area 1. Now in this, our passenger is traveling from area 3 to area 2 and area 2 to area 1. In that case, we are going to consider the AT global indicator. Now the question arises that why we are not considering the SA global indicator for this itinerary, because our passenger is traveling from Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is in Southeast Asia and Brasilia is in South Atlantic. When it's satisfying the condition of SA, why we are not considering the SA global indicator for this itinerary? Because our in via point, our passenger is traveling via Dar es Salaam. Dar es Salaam is in Tanzania and Tanzania is in Eastern Africa. And as per the SA global indicator, you can take via point only